Hey, Sarah, it's so good to see you. How have you been?
Hi, Mike. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you? Did you have a good week?
Yeah, it was pretty busy, but I'm happy it's Friday now. I really need the weekend.
Me too. I always look forward to the weekend. So, what do you usually do on your weekends?
Well, I have a few hobbies that I really enjoy. One of my favorite things is playing basketball. I try to play every Saturday morning with my friends.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you played basketball. Are you good at it?
I'm okay. Not professional or anything, but I love it. It helps me stay active and it's fun to be outside. What about you? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes. My big hobby right now is gardening. I have a small garden at my apartment. I grow flowers and some vegetables like tomatoes and herbs.
Really? That sounds relaxing. How did you start gardening?
Actually, it started during the pandemic. I was bored at home and wanted to do something with my hands. Now it's one of my favorite things. Every weekend, I spend time watering the plants, pulling weeds, and just enjoying the fresh air.
I like that. It sounds peaceful. For me, after playing basketball, I usually cook something nice on Saturday evening. That's another hobby of mine, trying new recipes.
Oh, wow, you're a cook? What kind of food do you like to make?
I like making Italian food mostly. Pasta, pizza, things like that. Last weekend, I tried making homemade lasagna. It took a long time, but it was delicious.
That sounds amazing. I'm not very good at cooking. I usually just make simple things like salad or sandwiches. But I love eating. Maybe you can teach me one day.
Sure, I'd love to. We can cook together sometime. What else do you do on weekends?
On Sundays, I like to read books. That's my quiet hobby. I usually sit on the balcony with a cup of tea and read for a couple of hours. Right now, I'm reading a mystery novel. It's really exciting.
Nice. I don't read as much as I should. I mostly watch videos or listen to podcasts when I relax. But reading sounds good. Maybe I should try it more.
You should. It's very relaxing. So, do you have any special plans for this weekend?
Actually, yes. Tomorrow, I'm going hiking with my brother. There's a nice trail not too far from the city. We want to enjoy nature and take some photos.
That sounds wonderful. I love hiking too. The fresh air and beautiful views are the best. How long is the hike?
It's about 3 hours. Not too hard, but enough to feel good exercise. What are your plans?
I'm planning to visit my sister on Sunday. We're going to have a picnic in the park if the weather is nice. We want to bring some food, play music, and just talk.
A picnic sounds perfect. I haven't done that in a long time. Do you usually go on picnics?
Not every weekend, but when the weather is good, yes. It's a great way to spend time with family.
You know, weekends are really important. They help us rest and do things we love. Before I started making weekend plans, I used to just stay home and feel tired all the time.
Same here. Having hobbies makes life more fun. Even small things like gardening or playing basketball give me energy for the next week.
Exactly. I feel happier when I have plans. What would you say to someone who doesn't have any hobbies?
I would tell them to try new things. Start small. Maybe try drawing or walking or learning to play a simple song on guitar. You never know what you'll love until you try.
That's great advice. For me, trying new recipes was scary at first because I made a lot of mistakes. But now I really enjoy it.
Everyone makes mistakes. That's part of the fun.
So, to summarize, weekends are the best time to enjoy our hobbies and make good memories.
Yes, whether it's sports, gardening, reading, cooking, or spending time with family, the important thing is to do something that makes you happy.
I agree. Thanks for chatting with me today, Sarah. This was really nice.
Thank you, Mike. I enjoyed it too. Let's meet again soon and maybe try cooking together.
Deal! Have a great weekend, everyone.
Yes, take care and enjoy your hobbies. See you next time.